Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the work area and putting on safety gear. This prevents dust and injury. Once protected, score the grout lines and use a utility knife to break the adhesion along seams. Make the first pry at a corner or at any visibly loose tile with a putty knife, then drive a flat chisel or thin pry bar under the mesh back tile. Work methodically to lift an edge. You are loosening adhesive bonds rather than tearing the tile out violently, which reduces substrate damage. Once a tile comes up, you'll encounter the mesh backing and leftover adhesive. Heat helps. Apply a heat gun at about 2 to 6 inches to soften mastic, then peel the mesh backing away by pulling and supporting the substrate. For hard thinset, score and remove it with a chisel or an oscillating multi-tool with a scraper blade. This preserves the surface beneath. Make sure to keep the substrate flat and clean, scraping down to roughly 1/8 inch or less of residue, so new tile will bond properly. Finish by thoroughly vacuuming and wiping the substrate to remove dust and debris, because contamination blocks new adhesive. Inspect the floor for gouges or loose backer board and repair small damage with a patch compound. If the backer is compromised, replace it before installing new tile. If a tile refuses to loosen, score more grout, apply a recommended adhesive solvent sparingly, or switch to an oscillating cutter for controlled cutting. This approach prevents surprises during reinstallation and ensures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.